Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've made some projects and I thought I'd pop on and share what I've made. So recently my friend Sue, and I will leave the link to her YouTube channel down below, sent this pocket letter in Happy Mail. And it did look a lot, fuller of different bits and bobs, and obviously I've been taking them out and using them. So I'm going to share what I've made using the bits that she sent me. So the first thing is these paper clips. She sent me quite a few different ones, and she sent some little ones as well, but I have just altered the large ones. So all these little dangles were from my stash and from other Happy Mail that I've been gifted and things. I actually think these butterflies were earrings at one point. So yeah, this is the first one. I thought it was quite summery and that. So I did that for the green. And then this one had this charm with a smiley face on. And again, like I said, that was the other earring. I've just left those dangling. But they're quite nice for planners and things. And this being red, I kind of made it kind of like a Paris kind of theme. You've got Eiffel Tower there. Again, I think this was gifted to me. You've got this little red heart, or dark pink, should I say. And then this little bead on there. So that's those. And then the next thing that I made was this like Easter, spring, kind of like a journal, I guess you could, or planner, or whatever you could use it for, whatever really. So I just used papers from my stash. I can't remember the make. It's just random papers that I had. Stickers were from the range, I think last year, and they're just obviously Easter themed. Then that's a sticker strip, and then those ones. And then I've just got this elastic. I got this from Flying Tiger a couple of years ago. I just used that to bind it. Put some, what are these called? Eyelets in there. They are, and they're like little flower shaped. So I put those in. And then inside, this is another one of those paper clips that Sue sent me. And this one, I've just put this little bunny, and it says Happy Easter. I've done that of beads. That was really cute. So that hangs in here. And then again inside, the actual lined paper was from like notebooks that I've picked up in the works, or Wilco's when they're really cheap, or even Poundland. And then I've just made some inserts again with some pink elastic. Again, I picked this up from Flying Tiger. And that way I can kind of just keep these patterned papers, and then once you've written in there, you can change it up and reuse them. So on this one I've left plain because I've put this paper clip. On the next one, this is a journaling card that Sue sent me in that pocket letter. And again, this washi tape was from Sue as well. This sticker, and this one, and this flower. She sent me a couple of these actually. And she just stuck them on this card. So I've reused one of those on here. So I really like the way that looks. And then I can journal whatever on the front there if I wanted to. So that's the inside of that one. And then this one I've left plain because I like the papers on this one. And that's the inside. And then this one, again, these are stickers, like puffy stickers that Sue sent me. Another one of those journaling cards, which I could write on there. And that's the inside. And then on the back, because I laminated the covers, I just put these like journaling tabs, and I thought I could use those throughout. Again, Sue sent those to me, and they just stick. I stuck those on the back, and they're easy to remove because obviously it's laminated. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed these projects. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't already done so, to hit that subscribe button. Take care guys, have an awesome week, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.